everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's everywhere in our oceans, in our foods, and even in our bodies. Yep, I'm talking about plastic pollution, the silent monster we've created. So grab your reusable bottle and let's uncover how plastic is taking over our planet and what we can do to fight back. Every single year, humans produce 400 million tons of plastic. Sounds huge, but here's the scary part. Half of it is used just once and then thrown away. Most of it doesn't disappear, it just breaks down into tiny pieces called microplastics, and now they are found in fish, salt, and even in the water we drink. Imagine this. By 2050, there could be more plastic than fish. That's not a movie plot. It's our future if we don't change now. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags as jellyfish. Birds feed bottle caps to their chicks. Whales wash up on shores with bellies full of trash. Plastic isn't just polluting the planet, it's destroying lives. Isn't that sad? And remember, it always comes full circle. The plastic we throw away ends up right back on our plates. The good news is we can all make a difference. Start small. Carry a reusable water bottle. Say no to plastic bags. Skip the straw. Choose eco-friendly packaging. And if you really want to level up, spread the awareness. Talk about it. Share this video with your friends. Start a plastic-free challenge at your school or community. Every voice counts. Plastic pollution isn't someone else's problem, it's ours. But together, we can turn the tide. So let's stop feeding the monster we created and start healing our planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel with others, and comment down below which plastic habit will you quit starting today. Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes can make big waves. And one more thing, if you need to set the future, first set the present. If the present is bad, then the future will be worse. Bye bye. Your daddy is zooming out. Bye bye.